Hello, good morning, and welcome to what I'm going to refer to as an update video. A few days ago, I posted a video on the Pangolin DeFi trading exchange, and I was talking about their new triple rewards super farm where you can earn Luna, AVAX, and their native token, PNG, or the Pangolin coin. And in that video, I talked about the fact that the Luna share is very, very small. I actually staked around $450 of AVAX along with $450 of UST, and the Luna rewards were showing 0. And so in this video, I'm simply going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at the earnings to provide some clarification, because it's not actually 0. And what it's referring to is that you're earning 0 a week. Now, I'm going to give you the abbreviated version of all my caveats. Make sure you do your own research. I'm not an investment advisor. This is not investment advice. And I'm not responsible for any loss of fiat tokens or fees that you incur, right? So keep that in mind. Again, we're not doing any investing here, just sort of an update. I've received a number of questions over the last few days, and I really appreciate you guys reaching out for clarification, because this is something that I hadn't gone back and checked until the questions came in. So here is the Pangolin.exchange DEX main site, and all you'd have to do is click on Launch App. When you do that, it's going to open up this window here. And this takes you into the exchange where you can take a look at the different features they offer. Now, you'll notice that this looks strikingly similar to the elk.finance site. So, I mean, with the exception of a few color changes, this is almost identical to elk.finance with respect to the look and feel. So if we were to click on pools, you could see that this is where you create your liquidity pair, but we're interested in the farms, and specifically it's the version 2 farms. Do not go into the version 1 farms. You're not going to find what we're looking for. If I click on the version 2 farms, it's going to load those farms in. Remember, you should have the MetaMask wallet. You should have the Avalanche mainnet installed in that wallet. I have other videos that you can check out to see how to do that. And here is one of the 2 farms that they're offering, sort of the triple rewards, right? The triple rewards super farms. You can see the other one is right below it here with Pangolin, Luna, and AVAX as well. And this is when you're staking your UST to USDC. So here's the pool that we're interested in. So let's click on Manage, and it's going to bring you here. And you can see that the rewards, the unclaimed Luna rewards, are not 0. Now, what was misleading initially was that it said 0 Luna a week. But what that means is it's less than 1. So in other words, we could probably get to 0.999 and it's still going to show that I'm earning 0 a week. However, you're not earning nothing. I guess that's a double negative there. So it's not that you're not earning any Luna. It's just that in my case, I'm not earning 1 or more a week. However, as you can see here, I am actually earning Luna. So again, I did the video probably 2 to 3 days ago, and this would give you a good idea if you were to stake 450 of UST along with 450, the equivalent dollar amount of 450 of AVAX. This is what we're looking at here after about 2 days. So I've got 2.2160 PNG, the Pangolin coin, their governance coin. I've got 0.0078 Luna. Again, definitely not a whole lot. And if you look up here, this is why. So take a look at the pool rate. So the rate for this pool is only 249 Luna a week. And obviously my share in the pool, if you take a look at the liquidity deposits here, not a whole lot. So this is why it's kind of hovering around this very small amount. But again, not 0. And you might make the argument, well, it might as well be 0. But again, you know, I'm long on this. I'm going to let this sit in here for years, or as long as this pool is around. So I'm in no rush. And then you can also see the wrapped AVAX that you're earning. So here are the triple earnings. And again, I apologize if I gave the impression, because again, that's what my first impression was that, you know, okay, it's 0 Luna. I'm not earning any Luna because I didn't stake enough LP AVAX UST tokens in order to earn some Luna. But as you can clearly see here, we are earning Luna, we are getting some wrapped AVAX, and we are getting PNG. So pool's working as it should. Again, make sure you do your own research. take these things into account, how much you're going to stake, etc. But that's all I wanted to do in this video. Probably the shortest video you're going to see, as well as the shortest disclaimer at the front end of the video. So that's it. That's all I've got, guys. I just wanted to provide some clarification and an update that you are earning Luna. It's just that in my case, it's less than 1 a week. Therefore, it just shows 0. All right. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all the feedback and the positive comments. Keep them coming. And I've got a video coming out here in about an hour or two where I'm going to be highlighting the new ProtoFi Phantom Ecosystem Decentralized Exchange. Again, thanks so much for watching. Have a great weekend and hope to see you in the next video.